Good morning friends. Today we are going to see the next bit of differential equation, that is formation of differential equation. Differential equation तैयार करने. There is a note that if there exists one arbitrary constant then differentiate once, and if two constants then differentiate twice. If the given equation contains one arbitrary constant, then we are going to differentiate only once. Look here, y is equal to a e raised to x. A single arbitrary constant is there, so we differentiate only once. Look here, y is equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x. A and b, two constants are there, so we differentiate two times. एक कॉन्स्टंट असेल तर एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं, दोन असतील तर दोनदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं. So the question is in the form the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. यानुसार क्वेश्चन असतं. So the first one is y is equal to a into e raised to x. याचं आपल्याला डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन तयार करायचं. So the given equation is y is equal to a e raised to x. Treat it as equation number 1. A, there is only one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate only once. एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. A constant as it is. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to a into e raised to x. So a into e raised to x is y by equation number 1. So therefore dy by dx is equal to y. So dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. हे y पलीकडे शिफ्ट करा, minus y होता है. dy by dx minus y is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. So if equation is y is equal to a into e raised to x, then its corresponding differential equation is dy by dx minus y is equal to 0, which is required. Now the second one is y is equal to a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x. Now we are going to form the differential equation of that equation. Now first of all we treat the given equation as equation number 1. Look here, a and b, two constants are there, so we differentiate twice. दोन constants आहेत तर दोन वेळा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढूयात. तर पहिला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह of y is dy by dx. A constant as it is, e raised to x, its derivative is e raised to x, plus b as it is, derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. e raised to kx चा derivative e raised to kx into k असतात. So derivative of e raised to minus x is given by e raised to minus x into minus 1. Minus x means minus 1 into x असतात. So e raised to minus x चा derivative e raised to minus x into minus 1 असं येतं. So this is first derivative. There exist two constants, so we must differentiate twice. दोन constants आहेत तर दोन वेळा derivative काढणे कंपल्सरी आहे. So one more times derivative काढा. dy by dx, it's one more times derivative is given by d2y by dx square is equal to a as it is, e raised to x derivative e raised to x, plus b once again as it is, derivative of e raised to minus x is given by e raised to minus x into minus 1. This old minus 1 keep it as it is because it is a constant and multiplier. Now minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1. So it comes a raised to x plus b raised to minus x. From equation 1 it is nothing but y. So therefore shift this y to left hand side, becomes d2y by dx square minus y is equal to 0, which is required differential equation of this y is equal to a raised to x plus b raised to minus x. That's it. Now the next example is x into y is equal to c square. xy is equal to c square. पुढचा example आहे. There is only one constant, so we differentiate only once. Now differentiating with respect to x, derivative of x into y can be found by derivative of u into v. It is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. First term into derivative of second term plus second term into derivative of first term. x into y चा derivative u into v ने सोडवायचा. So first x into derivative of second dy by dx, y चा derivative dy by dx, plus second term y into derivative of first, derivative of x is 1 is equal to derivative of constant is obviously 0. So this is x into dy by dx plus y into 1 means y is equal to 0, which is required differential equation. Now the next one, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Once again only one constant is there, so we are going to differentiate only once. एक constant है, एकदा derivative काढायचा. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. Given equation, derivative काढूया, differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x plus as it is derivative of y square is given by 2y into dy by dx is equal to a square which is constant, its derivative is 0. y square चा derivative 2y into dy by dx असं लिहायचं असतं. Derivative of star square is 2 star into star dash. So derivative of y square is given by 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. 2, 2, 0. We divide throughout by 2. सगळीकडे 2 ने divide करा. So we get the equation as x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0, which is required differential equation. Now the next one is y square is equal to 4ax. So once again, a only one arbitrary constant is there, so we differentiate only once. Y square is equal to 4ax, treat it as equation number 1. Derivative code differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of y square is once again given by 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a is a constant and multiplier, keep it as it is. Derivative of x is 1. X derivative 1 असता, so we multiply 4a into 1, which is given by 4a. So 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a into 1 means 4a, and the value of 4a from equation number 1, the value of 4a from equation number 1 is given by 4a is equal to y square divided by x. Equation 1 वरून 4a ची किंमत कशी लिहिता येईल? y square आणि त्याला divided by x असं लिहिता येईल. So 4a getting replaced by y square by x from equation number 1. So we shift this x to right hand side, becomes multiplication form. So 2xy divided by dx is equal to y square. We cancel 1y from each side. दोन्ही कडचं y cancel करू. So finally we get 2x divided by dx. Shift this y to left hand side, becomes minus y is equal to 0. 2x divided by dx minus y is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Now we'll move to the next sum. That is y is equal to a raised to 3x plus b raised to minus 3x. So look here, a and b, two constants are there, so we differentiate 2 times. So first derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to a is a constant and multiplier, keep it as it is. Derivative of e raised to kx is e raised to kx into k. So derivative of e raised to 3x is given by e raised to 3x into 3 plus b as it is constant. Derivative of e raised to minus 3x is given by a raised to minus 3x into minus 3. Now, second derivative, dy by dx, its one more times derivative is d2 by dx square is equal to a, once again constant, keep it as it is. Derivative of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x into 3. This old 3, keep it as it is, plus b, once again constant, multiplied, keep it as it is. Derivative of e raised to minus 3x is given by e raised to minus 3x into minus 3. This old minus 3, keep it as it is. Now 3 into 3 becomes 9. Minus 3 into minus 3, once again it is 9. So we take 9 common. So if we take 9 common, then inside the bracket remains is a e raised to 3x plus b into e raised to minus 3x. The bracketed quantity is looking like equation number 1, which is y. So therefore, we got d2y by dx square is equal to 9y. Shift this 9y to left hand side. So final answer is d2y by dx square minus 9y is equal to 0. Similarly, we can solve y equal to a raised to 2x plus b raised to minus 2x. Parallel example है, y is equal to a raised to mx plus b raised to minus mx. या प्रकारचे parallel questions आपण सोडू शकतो. Now we'll move to the last one. y equal to a cos 4x plus b into sin 4x. पुढचा example है. Again a and b, two constants are there, so we differentiate 2 times. First derivative dy by dx is equal to a constant आहे तसं ठेवा. Derivative of cos is minus sin, so derivative of cos 4x is given by minus sin 4x into 4. Cos kx derivative minus sin kx into k असतं, so derivative of cos 4x is given by minus sin 4x into 4. Plus b as it is, derivative of sin is cos. Derivative of sin kx is cos kx into k. So derivative of sin 4x is given by cos 4x into 4. So this is first derivative. One more times derivative because two constants are there. So dy by dx one more times derivative काढल्यानंतर we got d2y by dx square is equal to minus a constant आहे, keep it as it is. Derivative of sin 4x is given by cos 4x into 4 old 4 becomes 16. sin 4x into 4 ते into 4 आणि इथला into 4 दोन्ही मिळून 16 होतात. sin 4x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos 4x into 4 and old 4 becomes 16. Further, derivative of cos is minus sin, so plus b becomes minus b. Derivative of cos 4x is minus sin 4x into 4 and old 4 becomes 4 into 4, 16. Now negative and 16 we take common. Minus common निघता आणि 16 पण common निघता. So if we take minus 16 common, then inside the bracket the remaining term is a cos 4x minus 5 taken outside plus b sin 4x. So bracketed quantity is looking like equation number 1, which is y. So finally we got d2y by dx square is equal to minus 16y from equation 1. Final answer is given by d2y by dx square plus 16y is equal to 0. These are few similar problems. Y equal to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, y equal to a cos 5x plus b sin 5x. So such kind of parallel examples we can solve by using this method.